Hey guys, it's Devi IT and today I'm going to talk about these two phones in front of me. On my left, we have an iPhone 11 and on my right, we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. We are going to go over each phone's features and find similarities and differences between these two phones to get a better idea of which phone is right for you. When we unbox both phones, you can already see a difference. The iPhone 11 comes with a 5-watt USB charger and the iPhone 11 Pro Max comes with a new 18-watt USB-C charger. Now both phones have fast charging capability, but only the iPhone 11 Pro lineup comes with the necessary components out of the box. You will have to buy the USB-C charger and cable separately for the iPhone 11. Other than that, I don't see any more differences, so let's take a look at the phone's design. On the front, the iPhone 11 screen size seems to be a little bit smaller than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The iPhone 11 has an aluminum side while the iPhone 11 Pro Max seems to have a more premium stainless steel side. However, the stainless steel seems to be much more susceptible to leaving fingerprint marks, so keep that in mind. On the back, you can see the second prominent difference between these two phones. The iPhone 11 has a wide and ultra-wide angle lens, while the iPhone 11 Pro Max has both of those while adding a telephoto lens as well. This can be especially useful for people who need to take zoomed-in photos often. However, if you're not into that, the iPhone 11 might be just right for you. Both phones are equipped with the latest A13 Bionic processor and 4GB of RAM. However, if you need more than 256GB of storage, only the iPhone 11 Pro Max has the option to upgrade to 512GB of storage. However, most people won't be needing 512GB of storage, so I suspect it will be fine. The iPhone 11 has an LCD display capable up to 625 nits, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max has an OLED display with a standard brightness of 800 nits and going as high as 1200 nits if necessary. Both phones are suitable for outdoor use, but under direct sunlight, you will clearly be able to see the iPhone 11 Pro Max's screen better. Now the most important thing is the price. Currently in Korea, the price for an iPhone 11 Pro Max is 560,000 won more expensive than the iPhone 11. You need to consider if the out-of-the-box 18-watt USB charger, the more premium design, telephoto lens, and the OLED display is worth it for you to pay that much more for this phone. If it checks all the boxes, congrats! You have made your decision. If not, perhaps the iPhone 11 is more suitable for your needs. I hope that this video helped out at least a little on which iPhone to buy. You can check out the link to where you can buy both of these phones in the description below. If you like this type of content, I'll be posting more in the future, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.